invention is the droplet lens maker. The droplet lens maker was created after numerous computer-aided drawing designs until we found one that was able to easily and efficiently produce high-quality lenses for anyone and everyone to use in combination with their smartphone. Our lens maker can produce 5 high-quality lenses at the same time. A lens is shaped simply using gravity and the lens maker parts. Then a low-heat household oven is used to set the lens. The lens maker is made up of 3 parts: a set of basins to hold the lens material, a set of needle-like pieces to extract it accurately, and a set of holes from which the lens material can hang in order to achieve the perfect shape. The lens can be placed over any smartphone camera using the natural stick of the lens material to turn it into a mobile microscope. The simplicity of the lens maker makes it possible to produce an extremely low-cost lens. These lenses can benefit fields such as health, agriculture, and especially education, but we believe they could have particularly great benefits. We have a vision that every high school in Australia will be using our lens maker as an experiment in science classes to teach students about chemistry, physics, and biology. We had the pleasure of running workshops for over 300 students at the National Youth Science Forum and Discovery Days at the Australian National University. The feedback we got was great and is one of the reasons we are driven to have this great invention shared around Australia. The droplet lens maker offers the whole lens making experience, as well as actually being able to use the lenses you've made for practical applications. As a parent, this offers a great discovery experience for you and your child, making something together and exploring the microscopic world. If you are a scientist, you can use lenses formed from the lens maker as a cheaper, mobile alternative to the laboratory microscope and share what you find. The beauty of our lens maker is that it is a building block for many further applications, and for this reason, we are excited at what the droplet lens maker can bring to our society. Please help us reach our goal, pick up a droplet lens maker in the process, and start creating and discovering the world around you.
Hi, my name is Dave. I studied systems engineering at ANU, graduated last year. My honours project was done with Dr. Steve Lee. I designed and built a prototype for a mobile phone connection.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I graduated from ANU last year and I did my honours project with Dr. Steve Lee on lens fabrication methods.
Hi, I'm Kenny Sen. I graduated from the ANU last year, and for my honours project I did characterization between soft polymer lenses.
Get on board. Thanks for watching.
Piranha FX. Make anything. Piranha FX is the latest in a long line of maker and woodworking machinery from a small but super innovative company called Next Wave Automation. Piranha started off as a highly capable CNC machine for woodworkers, but Piranha FX, with your help, will be an entirely new generation of machine, a make anything machine. Piranha FX will include 3 easy-to-use modules, letting you carve, laser engrave, and 3D print, all on a single machine, all using a super simple, highly intuitive touchscreen, all with an optional digitizer. You can either create your design using the included Vectric design and prototype software, or use the optional digitizer to recreate something you have already made, or something that you already have and would like to copy. Next, you can carve, engrave, or 3D print your design. Piranha FX. Carve anything. Piranha FX is an all-inclusive CNC routing machine that lets you design and carve just about anything. Piranha includes everything you need. Just choose your material and press run. Whether you want to carve in wood, aluminum, soft metal, or plastic, Piranha FX can handle it all. Though easy enough for a novice, Piranha FX is also a very serious CNC. You will not outgrow the Piranha FX. And because it uses a standard router, the possibilities and flexibility are virtually endless. Piranha FX is easy to use with an intuitive LCD touchscreen that includes easy-to-understand graphics. Piranha FX. Engrave anything. Piranha FX has a sophisticated and powerful, yet easy-to-use, laser module that can cut or engrave flat sheet materials such as paper, wood, plastic, or fabric. What's unique about the Piranha FX laser is that you can engrave existing images, like photographs or drawings, in addition to creating your own designs. The laser is a full variable laser that allows you to control how much power you would like to use. This is a super cool feature for designs that require different depth, shading, or other attributes. Piranha FX can also perform raster functions. That means engraving one line at a time. That will allow you to load in an image or actual photograph and have it engraved onto a number of surfaces. You can either create your own design or import an existing picture or design into the included Vectric software. Download onto a thumb drive or connect your computer directly to Piranha and you're ready to engrave. Right on a desktop or small workbench, from design to prototype, you can make just about anything, quickly and easily. Piranha FX, print anything. Piranha FX also comes with a 3D printing module. Now your maker and prototype tool arsenal is complete. And just like with the carving and laser modules, you can either design your own object with the included Vectric software, or you can get the optional digitizer to copy an existing object. Replicate parts, create figures, design and fabricate literally anything. Your design and DIY manufacturing ability is limitless with Piranha FX's 3D printer. Piranha FX, copy or recreate anything. With the optional digitizer, Piranha FX makes it possible to recreate and copy small objects. Piranha's digitizer actually learns by touch, so it can learn to recreate things that are hard to find or replace. This function is also perfect for handmade objects you might want to mass produce. Want to recreate a hard-to-source part? Want to copy a game piece? Piranha FX can do it all. Piranha FX, carve, engrave, or print. Design or recreate anything. Why limit yourself? Piranha FX, make anything.
Hi, my name is Tim Owens. NextWave Automation is a small company I founded in my garage 8 years ago. We're bringing Piranha FX to Kickstarter so that we can bring you an all-inclusive modular maker machine at an affordable cost. We've been manufacturing reliable, easy-to-use CNC carving and woodworking machines for several years, and now we are proud to offer you the Piranha FX, our make-anything machine. We manufacture everything right here in Ohio, and now we need your help. We'd like to start manufacturing the Piranha FX with all of its capabilities so that we can help you make anything. Contributing to this campaign makes you an important part of supporting the community that is ready to make anything. Designing, rapid prototyping, and manufacturing don't have to be a dream. It is now within reach. And if this campaign is funded, the Piranha FX, like each of its products we already manufacture, will give its proud owners access to highly dedicated and responsive tech support team. We are committed to our customers, and we are committed to bringing you Piranha FX, an affordable maker machine that can help you make anything. Thank you for your time and interest.